This Case real estate property video is presented by Hoover Case. This 86.48+ / acre farm features gently rolling terrain, is highly accessible, and has been well maintained. The owner has managed the property excellently. It is easy to show, as the seller has cut paths through the grass suitable for a pickup or SUV. The hay production on the farm is very good. A well, drilled in 2012, is conveniently located near the property's center. A creek runs along the east side of the property. This property includes 3 parcels. Parcel 1, 060-130-0000 extension 000300001, 060-130-0000 extension 0002020 and 1-010-120-0000 extension 0013010. Buffalo is a 10-minute drive, and Fairgrove is just 20 minutes away. Items reserved include the Priefert squeeze chute, crowding alley/hub, metal corrals, and any personal property on the farm. The metal carport stays with the property. Directions from Lebanon, approx 40 minutes, take State Highway 32 West/Old Buffalo Road. Continue on State Highway 32 West. Turn left onto State Highway H. Turn right onto Co. Road F199. Continue straight onto Navy Road. The property is on the left. For more information, review